For years, it's been a whisper in the wind, a forgotten prophecy amidst the crypto chaos, a project building in silence while others chased fleeting hype. But what if I told you that silence is about to shatter? What if the charts are screaming something the mainstream is completely missing? Because right now, something extraordinary is happening with Kaspa, something that could redefine what you thought was possible in this market. And if you're not paying attention, you're about to miss the shot of a lifetime. All right, crypto fam, it's your boy, back with another deep dive that's going to send shivers down your spine. We're not talking about your everyday price fluctuations today. Oh no, we are talking about Kaspa, the layer 1 powerhouse, and a chart pattern so potent it's rarely seen in the wild. You know how I always say the charts don't lie if you know how to read them? Well, buckle up, because the Kaspa chart is practically screaming its next move. For what feels like an eternity in crypto time, over 2 years. Folks, Kaspa has been riding an invisible wave, a masterfully crafted uptrend, silently, consistently gaining ground. And now, that wave is cresting, preparing for something truly epic. Look at this, my friends. This isn't just any trend line, this is a multi-year support line that has been the backbone of Kaspa's remarkable journey. Every single time Kas has kissed this line, it hasn't just bounced, it has rocketed back with vengeance. It's like clockwork, a testament to the underlying strength and belief in this project that few other cryptos can boast. Just 3 days ago we saw it again. Kaspa dipped, touching down around that crucial 6.4 cent mark. And what happened? A violent immediate recoil, a powerful bounce that sent it surging back up to 7.9 cents, almost as if it scoffed at the idea of staying low. This isn't random noise, my viewers, this is a direct, undeniable signal from the market itself. This area, just above 6 cents, isn't some arbitrary level. No, this support has been respected by Kaspa since its very inception. It has never broken below it. Think about that for a second. In a market as volatile as crypto, where projects rise and fall with the blink of an eye, Kaspa has held this foundational floor for years. That's not luck. That's fundamental strength meeting consistent demand. This long-term support, this unwavering foundation, is doing more than just holding the price steady. It's injecting a surge of confidence into the market. It's telling traders loud and clear, the downside is protected, the stage is set. And this, my friends, could be the prelude to a fresh, explosive rally. But it gets even juicier. Because beyond the obvious price action, the technical indicators, the silent prophets of the market, are starting to align in a truly chilling way. One of the biggest signals I'm watching, and you know how much weight I give to this, is the MACD indicator. For months, the MACD, our moving average convergence divergence, has been lurking in bearish territory, below the zero line. A period of consolidation, of quiet accumulation. But now, if you look closely, you'll see it. That subtle yet undeniable curve upward. The MACD line is beginning to lift, whispering of a monumental shift in momentum. And what are we anticipating? A bullish crossover. A bullish crossover on the MACD is not just a little blip. In the past, for Kaspa, this kind of crossover has been the ignition switch for massive parabolic moves. It's been the signal that the engines are roaring and liftoff is imminent. If history, and in crypto, history often repeats itself, then we are staring down the barrel of another colossal wave for Kaspa. The kind of wave that turns modest investments into life-changing gains. And it's not just the MACD, you know. The Bollinger Bands are echoing the same powerful message. For those of you who are new to technical analysis, Bollinger Bands show us the volatility and potential price targets. Right now, Kaspa has just done exactly what we want to see in a strong uptrend. It bounced definitively off the lower band. This indicates that it was oversold, and now the momentum is shifting back. And where do we naturally aim next? The middle band, and then the upper band. A decisive push towards that upper band wouldn't just be a nice move, it would bring us within striking distance of Kaspa's previous all-time high. The confluence of these indicators, the unwavering trendline, the MACD turning bullish, and the bounce off the Bollinger Band, creates a perfect storm of technical signals. It's a symphony of bullish intent. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Based on this technical setup, especially on the weekly chart, which, honestly, gives us a broader and more reliable perspective, if this bounce follows through with the conviction we're seeing, Kaspa isn't just going for a small recovery. We could be looking at an absolute explosion. My analysis suggests Kaspa could rally all the way to the 20-cent zone. Let that sink in for a second. From its current level around 7.9 cents, that would represent a staggering, mind-blowing 167% jump. almost tripling your investment if you position correctly. The chart shows us this target isn't just wishful thinking. It's based on the sheer magnitude and structure of previous rallies that originated from this exact same long-term trend line. This isn't a guess. It's an educated projection based on historical market behavior and the current powerful technical signals. Imagine that. Kaspa, the quiet innovator, making a nearly 170% move. But for this to truly happen, we need to see key confirmations. We need buyers to step in with conviction, reinforcing this recent bounce. And crucially, we need that MACD bullish crossover to confirm. When that happens, it's not just a signal, it's a green light. As long as Kaspa holds above that rising multi-year trend line, that critical foundational support, the outlook remains undeniably bullish. The risk-reward ratio, for those who understand these movements, looks incredibly compelling right now. We're talking about significant upside potential with a clearly defined invalidated point. This isn't just about a price chart, though. It's about a project with groundbreaking technology, a robust community, and a clear vision. Kaspa's innovative block DAG architecture and Ghost DAG protocol are designed for speed and scalability, aiming to solve the very problems that plague older blockchains. So, for now, my eyes, and yours should be too, are firmly glued on whether Kaspa can truly build this momentum, confirm these bullish signals, and surge towards that $0.2 target. Could we even see it break above that later this year, carving out an entirely new all-time high? The potential is absolutely electrifying. The stage is set, the signals are firing, and Kaspa is standing on the precipice of what could be its most defining move yet. Are you ready for it? The market is about to tell us a story, and I, for one, can't wait to see how this chapter unfolds. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves significant risk, and prices can be extremely volatile. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research, and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I am not a financial advisor, and these are my personal opinions and analysis. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next explosive update. Let me know in the comments what you think about Kaspa's potential. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, and keep those eyes on the charts. Peace out.